And here we are talking about has function. See, has function is used to validate given object has a required key or not. So for that there is the syntax. And also it is used to validate given array has a value at required index or not. And for that there is the syntax. Let me explain that. See, suppose I want to validate a key called name is exist or not in sample.json. So for that you have to use has function in this way. Now suppose if this output is true, then you can say that name key is exist in your sample.json. Yes, it is there. Now see, suppose I am taking, let's say, ABC key. You got output as false. That means this ABC key is not exist in this sample.json. So that is the one usage of JQ command. See, suppose from DevOps info.json you have an array here. Now first let me get that array by using a field filter called .tools. I mean like this. Now let's say I want to validate whether this array is having value or not at index 10. Then in that case you can take has function. See, suppose I am taking has function to validate that array is having a value or not at index 10. See the result, false. Means this array is not having value at index 10 because it is having values at index 0, index 1, index 2, index 3, index 4. See, suppose if I take, let's say, index 2, yes, that array is having value at index 2. That's why you are getting output as true. That's it. Let me give one more example. See, suppose we have a file called arrayofobjects.json. See here in this array, all your values are objects. Now I want to validate a key called name is exist or not on all these objects. Then how you can do that? See, for that logic is, first of all you have to take one by one value, nothing but one by one object from this array. And then on each object you have to apply has function with a key called name. That is like, see, if you remember, you can take one by one value from your array by using this iterator filter. Like this. Now on this output, you can apply your JQ command with has function like this. That's it. See, all values you are getting true means all these objects are having a key called name. And anyway, this entire command you can rewrite like this. So take one by one value, nothing but one by one object from your array, and on that apply has function like this. That's it. And finally, you just remember this point, that is, output of the has function is always either true or false, nothing but boolean data. Okay, thank you.